Hello! In this video, we're going to learn direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so look at the first example. Y is directly proportional to the positive square root of x. And then they give you x equals to 9, y equals to 12, find y when x equals to 1/4. So first step, you need to form a equation, okay, that relates your y with this. Okay, the second term they give you is square root of x. So directly proportional, you just write like y equals to, the next term is square root of x. Okay, and then you must add a k, a constant k, in front of the second term. Okay, so after that, you sub in the value they give, the 9 and the 12. So you get 12 equals to k square root 9 in order to find the k, the constant value. So I will get my k equals to 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. Okay, and then we rewrite the equation. So y equals to 4 square root x. So now we know what is the whole equation already. Then we can find the y when x is 1/4. So you just sub in 4 square root 1/4. Then we can know what is the y. So 4 times square root 1/4, you get 2. So this is how you do directly proportion. Next, we have this inversely proportion. So they tell you y is inversely proportional to x plus 2 bracket square, and the rest is similar to your directly proportional example. So for inversely case, y equals to, the k we write as numerator. Then the second variable is the denominator. So in this example is x plus 2 bracket square. So we got this equation. After that, sub in your x and y. So we can find the k. So in this example, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 squared, 9. 9 times 2, you get 18. So the equation is y equals to 18 over x plus 2 squared. After that, that's it. Because they just want you to find a y in terms of x. Okay, so this is how you find the equation between directly and inversely proportion. Easy.